Introducing the 2026 GMC Canyon AT4 4x4, a mid-size pickup that blends bold design, unstoppable capability, and refined comfort into one trail-ready package. At its heart lies the TurboMax 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4, delivering a potent 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, routed through a responsive 8-speed automatic transmission paired with rugged 4-wheel drive. Heights above the ordinary, the AT4 features a factory-installed 2-inch suspension lift and ultra-wide track, giving it impressive ground clearance, nearly 9.6 inches, so you're ready to conquer off-road terrain. The drivetrain is bolstered with advanced features like selectable front and rear electronic locking differentials, a 2-speed auto-track transfer case, and hill descent control, ensuring control whether crawling up rocky inclines or descending steep backcountry paths. Inside, drivers enjoy an 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with Google built-in, an 11-inch digital driver information center, and available heated and ventilated leather-appointed seating via the AT4 Premium package. Storage and utility are well thought out, with the innovative multi-stow tailgate, plenty of power outlets, including a 120V bed outlet, and driver-friendly convenience like wireless phone charging, an automatic stop/start system, and remote start. Built on a tough, fully boxed frame with hydroformed front structure and high-strength steel construction, the Canyon AT4 delivers durability without compromise. Versatile and well-equipped, it tows up to 7,700 pounds while offering modern safety technologies such as blind spot alerts, lane keep assist, and a pro safety suite. Whether you're navigating urban streets or carving through off-road trails, the 2026 GMC Canyon AT4 4x4 stands ready for adventure. Experience power, precision, and poise. Discover your next chapter behind the wheel today.